students, welcome to Gauri Smart channel. Today we are going to discuss about polynomials top 15 models. And also after these models, some more models I am giving as a grand test. So in the video description, the link will be provided. You write after clicking the link, you write the exams and submit your marks. Then definitely I will be keeping your name in the next video description. So now let us start the class top 15 models. Before going to start the class, please give a like, one like, then I will start. Now we'll start. Polynomials top 15 models. The remainder when this is divided by 2x minus 3 is 2x minus 3 is divided means 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x is equal to 3 by 2. So x is equal to 3 by 2. Now we substitute here. In IIIT exam or Polycity or another exam, any exam, competitive exam, we have to write the answer beside the problem only. We should not copy the last page or we should not write the down. So you write before the wherever the place is there, before the means beside the problem. Now 2 into 3 by 2 means 27 by 8 minus 7 into 9 by 4 minus 10 into 3 by 2 plus 24. So if you solve this one, you will get the remainder. 2 ones are 2 fours are. Again, so this can be written as 27 by 4. 9 sevens are 63 by 4. See, this is 30. So 30 by 2, I will multiply 2 on numerator and denominator. Then this will be minus 60 by 4. So 2 3 is a 6, 6 10s are 60 and 2 2 is a 4. Again here also I am multiplying with 4 numerator and denominator because all denominator will be 4. So that's what 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8, 9, 96 by 4. Now see here, we will see here 60 and 63, that is minus 123, 90 20, that is 110, and 7 3, that is also 13. So 110 plus 13, 123. 123 will get cancelled. Everything will be cancelled. So answer 0. That is the first option. That is the first option. Next, dash is a factor of this one. If n belongs to n is a natural number they are saying. So n is a natural number means we will substitute 5, 2 to the power of 1 minus 1. So that is 5 square minus 1. That is 25 minus 1. That is equal to 24. So 24 is the answer. That is the third option. 24 is the answer. That is the third option. Ax square plus bx plus c has two zeros alpha comma beta, then alpha square plus beta square. Now see here, alpha square plus beta square they are asking. Already I have explained these formulas. So most very important also I have told. So definitely this one will come in our exam. So alpha square plus beta square means a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So alpha plus beta we know very well, minus b by a whole square minus 2 into c by a. So that is b square by a square minus 2c by a. Here a square is the LCM. Then b square minus 2ca. So b square minus 2ca by a square. b square minus 2ca, 2ac by a square. So that is the third option. Third option we got the answer. The graph of x is equal to y square lies in. So just you draw the small diagram, you will get the answer. This is x axis and this is y axis. Now what they are saying, x is equal to y square. So x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0. Then this is the point. If you keep y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 1. Here, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. If you keep y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1. Here plus and plus, here minus and plus. So x is equal to, y is equal to minus 1. And if you substitute y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 1. So y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 1. So here then so y is equal to minus 1, then x is equal to 1, means 1 comma minus 1. 1 comma minus 1, so it will be here. So the graph will be like this. Once again I am saying y0 means x0, 0 comma 0 this point. Y is equal to 1 means x is equal to 1, that is 1 comma 1 this one. Y is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 means 1 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 1 this one. So the graph is first quadrant and fourth quadrant. First quadrant and fourth quadrant means fourth option. First quadrant and fourth quadrant. The condition that x plus 1 is a factor for this equation is, this a polynomial is, already I explained, if x minus 1 is a factor, the sum of the coefficients of all terms is 0. If the sum of the squares of the powers is equal to the sum of the squares of the odd numbers and even numbers is equal to, then the x plus 1 is a factor. So here x plus 1 is a factor, then we know very well odd means a plus c is equal to b. A plus c is equal to b, means here a plus c is equal to b plus d. A plus d is equal to b plus d. So a plus d is equal to b plus d here. So fourth option is, that is a plus c is equal to b plus d. So fourth option is the right answer. Next, if alpha comma beta are the zeros of ax square plus ax plus b, then alpha square plus beta square. So already I explained alpha square plus beta square is nothing but alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta, means a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So here alpha plus beta is minus a, so minus a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is 2b, so that is a square minus 2b. A square minus 2b is the first option. Condition for one root of this equation to be reciprocal to the other. So one root is reciprocal to the other. For example, one root is alpha means another root is 1 by alpha. The product of the roots if you take, that is c by a. So alpha cancel. So 1 is equal to c by a, that is equal to c is equal to a. So that is the a is equal to c, that is the second option. So beside only how to do. Next, the sum of the reciprocals of zeros of this polynomial is, so we know very well this can be written as alpha plus beta by alpha into beta. So here minus b by a by c by a, so a cancel, minus b by c is the answer, minus b by c, that is the first option. Next, if p comma q are unequal, x square plus px plus q and x square plus qx plus p have common factor, then which is the condition? If two equations have common factor, then both are equal, both expressions are equal, both polynomials are equal. Here x square plus px plus q is equal to x square plus qx plus p. So x square cancel. So subtract this one. If you take out common x, then p minus q is equal to p minus q. So x is equal to p minus q by p minus q. So p minus q cancel, x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, substitute here, then 1 plus p plus q is equal to 0. So that is the second option. Now you remember from now onwards, if two equations have equal root or equal factor, then common factor, then one is the common factor, then one is the solution or 0 of the polynomial. Now 10th one, the graph x is equal to minus y square lies in, just now we got x is equal to y square means like this, x is equal to minus y square means like this. So that is second and third. Second and third means second option. Means x is equal to y square, just now we have done, that is first and fourth. So x is equal to minus y square means this is opposite to the x is equal to y square. So second and third. If x minus 3 is a factor of this one, then find the k value. X minus 3 is a factor means x minus 3 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. Now substitute the value. So 2 into 3 square means 9 plus 9 into 3 plus k. So 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18, 27 plus 18 45. This 45 bring to that side because it is left side, then minus 45 is the answer. Which of the following is not a factor of this one? Which of the following is not a factor of this one? So we have to substitute this one. If you are getting 0, then that is a factor. If you are not getting 0, then that is not a factor. Now x is equal to -1. -1 substitute here. Then 2 -1 -14 plus 19 -62. So if I am adding, I am not getting 0. So this is not a factor. Now substitute 2. 2 means -2. So 2 to the power of 4 means 2 square. 4 4 16. 16 2s are 32. So 2 power 4 means 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Here 2 cube -8. Here 2 square 4. 4 14s are -56 is this one. Here -2. So -38. Here -62. Now you add 2 plus 8. 40, 70. So here more than number is coming. So x plus 2 is also not a factor. Either x minus 3 or x plus 3 may be factor. Now let us suppose to take x minus 3 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 3. Then 3 square whole square means 9 9s are 81. 81 2s are 162. Next 3 cube means 27 minus 3 square means 9. So 9 4s are 36. 3 9 1s are 9. 12 minus 126. Again minus 9 3 9s are 27. 9 3s are 27. 2 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5 minus 62. Now let us see here 189. They are also not coming 6 7 like that. So this is also wrong. So first option is the right answer. Don't do, if you take 3 options, if 3 options are wrong, then automatically fourth one is right. So we have to do first this one, because I have calculated from that one, because 1 is a small number, 2 is a small number. For that purpose I have calculated. But if you do like this, first answer only your answer. Next, if alpha comma beta are the zeros of the ax square plus bx plus c, then alpha square beta plus alpha into beta square. So take out alpha beta common, then alpha plus beta. So alpha into beta is nothing but in this equation c by a into minus b by a. So that is minus bc by a square, minus bc by a square. That is the second option. If x square plus x minus 5 is equal to x plus 3 into x minus 2 plus k, then find the k value. So it's very easy. If you do this one, this is x square, 3x minus 2x means plus x minus 6. So x into x square, 3x minus 2x is plus 6, a minus 2 into plus 3, that is minus 6. So if you k value, if it is 1, then it will be minus 1. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5. So answer 1. So option 3. First one, the 0 of x to the power of 2019 plus minus 1 all to the power of 2020 is. So now substitute this one here, then 1 power 2019 plus minus 1 all to the power 2020. So 1 power is anything is 1, here also 1, 1 plus 1 2. So that's not a solution. Now 0 substitute. So 0 power anything is 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1, that is also not solution. Now minus 1 keep, minus 1 all to the power of 2019 plus 1 power minus 1 all to the power of 2020. So minus 1 all to the power of odd number is minus 1, minus 1 all to the power of even number is plus 1. So minus 1 plus 1 cancel. So 0 we are getting by substituting minus 1. So answer is minus 1, that is third option.